And welcome back to Technology Wizard. So today we're going to do a very simple basic program. So this is just a Fahrenheit to Celsius converter using PCjr Basic. This can be done on any form of basic, essentially will work, such as MSX as well if you're using MSX. Commodore 64 will be laid slightly different, and you can't do as much as I will show you from this point forward. So the things I'm going to do will only be available on the IBM Basic and some forms of MSX as well. So essentially, feel free to follow along. This is going to be one of many videos on the channel as well, just diving into the simple stuff of basic programming, and it's going to also get more advanced as we go along. If you're also interested in some more programming, I do have I'm doing the same thing with Commodore 64 assembly language, going from advanced basic to more advanced techniques. I do have one video up that is currently up there. Feel free to check that one out also. So without further ado, let's get down to it. So we're going to start off with a very basic closing. So that's just clearing the screen of previous text if anything was on there. So starting fresh from the start every single time. The Commodore 64 equivalent would be print character 147. So that would be the equivalent. But here it's just CLS, which calls a routine in BIOS. Very handy. And then next we are going to create input. So from this point forward we go input, enter degrees in Fahrenheit. And then we name the input IN. And that essentially tells it from there where to look. So that's the first part. Then we're going to go down to 20, and we're going to create a handler of what to do when it just doesn't equal. So if we go, if IN equals enter, then 5, so it pretty much tells it if the variable IN, which is an input, if what you type in equals just enter with nothing, then we're going to throw you back to the clear screen and start again. And then we're going to clear the screen one more time, and then we're going to explicitly tell the program if IN equals IN. That's what we're going to do. So IN does equal whatever you pop in into that input. And we're going to now create another variable, which is CL percentage, which is a numeric value. So CL percentage, so that this input variable, this variable that we're creating that's of numeric value equals the basic formula for creating Fahrenheit to Celsius, if that makes sense. So we're going to IN, so the basic formula from Fahrenheit to Celsius is grabbing the input, we're minusing 32, and then we're going to times that 5/9. And that's the basic formula for that. And we're going to add just a little bit of a sound feedback, not really needed, but that is up to you. And then we're going to continue and print whatever's on the screen. So we go whatever you type into Fahrenheit is, then we're going to also print the input, whatever the variable CL percentage. Then we're going to go degrees in Celsius. So that's what we're going to print. And if we end that with a go to 10, we're going to go back to the program. And we have missed out the syntax, which is very important. easy mistake to do. So it's going to say enter degrees in Fahrenheit. We're going to go 64 is 18 degrees in Celsius. Enter degrees in Fahrenheit. And you'll notice we have a nice bounce back. So it bounces back from the garbage that you popped in it. 73 is 23 degrees in Celsius. 12 degrees is minus 11 degrees in Celsius. So essentially it's quite simple and easy to do, simple and easy to recognize, but also very simple to mess up, which is what I showed you at the start there, where we forgot one little bit of syntax on that line. So that is the basics, very basic program to get your hands dirty with BASIC. It is something I've learnt on as well when I first started doing these, and it is quite simple to get your head around. So if you like that video, please like and subscribe, and if you do want to see more, please comment what you would like to see next. Alright, thank you for watching.